We will make hairy dumplings, using 2 ingredients only, soft buns and potatoes. We will serve the dumplings with mushrooms. You will need 2 large potatoes, 2 soft white buns, salt, 100 grams of mushrooms, and oil for frying. Cut the buns into small pieces. Wash and peel the potatoes. Grate the potatoes finely. Add the pieces of soft buns. Mash the potatoes and the buns with a fork. The buns will soon start absorbing the liquid from the grated potatoes, and will be easy to break. Keep working, making a dumpling mixture. Once the mixture looks consistent, you can start forming dumplings. Use a spoon and your hands to form the dumplings. We are making small dumplings in this video, but you can make slightly bigger ones, that's up to you. Bring a large pan, filled with water, to the boil, and add a teaspoon of salt. Add the dumplings. We will boil the dumplings for about 10 minutes. While the dumplings are boiling, wash and slice the mushrooms. You can choose any type of mushrooms. We are using chestnut mushrooms. Fry the mushrooms with a little bit of frying oil. You can keep the heat on high, as the mushrooms will start losing water soon, and will fry nicely. After 10 minutes, check if the dumplings are cooked. Cut through one of the dumplings, to see whether it is cooked. The grated potato inside the dumpling should not be raw, but should not be overcooked either. If the potato is still not cooked, boil the dumplings for longer. Once the dumplings are cooked, transfer them to a plate, or a bowl. Add the fried mushrooms. You can sprinkle a bit of salt over the top, and serve.